down, shut me down.
Hey loves, hey beautiful people, come closer. You, not you, duh. Yes, you. Come closer. Anyway, for those who don't know me here, my name is T.a.g.r.a. Let's start with that is. Welcome to my humble, fun, relaxing, exploring place. I hope you sit here for a while. If you're a new subscriber, welcome, subscribe, like and share, comment. And if you are a returning subscriber, you know what to do. Thank you for coming back. Thank you for tuning in. You are a real one. You are a real one. Love for you. So today I'm gonna show you how Uhuru Park is after the renovation. I'm gonna take you to a small tour where I'm gonna show you the beautiful place of Uhuru Park after it was renovated. So let's take a tour in this place together. beautiful, so beautiful. I love the environment. I literally love everything about this place. You can just come, and it's in town. Literally, it's in town, Nairobi town. Kisses. There are many people here, and it's on a Tuesday. It's raining. It's raining. It's like pour. My hair. Artificial ones, made of metals, I guess. If you're looking for somewhere where you can just come and relax, this is definitely the spot. Antelope. It's still recording. It's still recording. Had a wonderful day, relaxed my mind. Oh, my hair too. That is rain. Oh my goodness, we have to go. We have to go. Did you hear the thunders? Did you? We really have to go. Now, like right now, with our things. Really have to go. Actually, what I would say is that the Lord was trying to hold the rain for us, because since we came here, hey, kunataka kunyesha kutoka tuingie hapa, lakini bado bado mvua ijaanguka ile ya kisawa sawa. Sasa hizi mvua inanyesha ni ile kidogo, na bado tuko hapa, tushamaliza kama lisali moja. So anyway, we are heading home. Relax the mind. Don't cry. Say bye bye. Bye bye. I hope you enjoyed this video.